Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've got a lot of leftover paint from the last couple weeks of painting, and people always ask how I save it. So here's what I do is I just turn one cup on top of another cup and let it drain into there, and it keeps the paint from drying out. So this is paint from the last 2 weeks. And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna do a bit of a traveling tree ring on this long canvas. And I'm going to start over here. There is a lot of green in here, as well as some orange. So it's going to be kind of interesting color schemes here. So starting with that one, and then we'll go on to this one. I won't need all of this paint. I'll just combine this with another cup. Okay. So leftover pours generally tend to be some of my favorites because it's always kind of just a total surprise. And I guess I used a lot of green over the last couple weeks, which is also pretty unusual for me. All right, that is very different. Not entirely sure how I feel about this one. But let's go ahead and we'll let it sit. We'll see if anything develops, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. All right, I'm not totally a fan of this, but I have an idea. I combined the leftover of those two plus a little bit of one more. I'm going to kind of go down the middle here with this. Kind of running out of paint at the end there. Okay, let's see what that does. All right, well that definitely broke it up a bit. I actually really like that. This is great colors in here. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. Okay, starting in the lower right-hand corner here, moving our way up, moving over. So this is kind of the middle section. So that's that paint that I added. It broke up the monotony of the picture. I think that was the problem, is the picture was a bit too monotonous. Well, look at this. Like, look how gorgeous those colors are. I just love this section. And I feel like it really just ties the whole piece together. So once again, not bad for a leftover pour with paint that would have otherwise just been thrown out normally. But let me know what you think. it's very interesting and definitely something different. Not your usual painting. All right, guys, I will see you all next time.